Today we're going to discuss about the topic that is extension methods, and now we will going to see what is the use of extension methods and how to work with the extension methods, how to extend the existing class and all those things. Now observe here. First, I'm just opening the notepad. Here I'll explain you what is the meaning of extension methods and how to use the extension methods and all those things. The topic is what? Extension methods. Extension methods are used for extending the extension methods are used for extending the class. Okay, whether the class would be either user defined class or whether the class would be either predefined class, we can able to extend that with the help of the extension methods. Now we will see the programmatical wise how to extend the class, and before going to see about the program, we're going to see with the help of the extension methods we can able to extend the class without recompiling the class and without extending the class, without recompiling and without extending we can able to extend the existing class. We will see that. Okay, observe here all of you very carefully. I'm just trying to open the new instance of the Visual Studio here. The diagram for the extension methods is just give me a minute, everyone. Listen here. Without recompiling it and without extending it and without modifying the existing class, we can able to extend the classes with the help of the mechanism. That is what we are calling as extension methods. Now see, without recompiling the existing class and without extending the class and without modifying the class, we can able to perform the extension with the help of the extension methods that are present in a .NET. Now I'm trying, as I told you people, I'm trying to open the new Visual Studio instance. This is a new Visual Studio instance. I'm creating a new project over here. The new project is of type console application. Now listen here. I'm trying to take a class. The class is a program. In this class, I'm trying to, other than program class, I'm taking the new class over here. The class is of type static, and the name of the class is extension methods. Now observe here all of you very carefully. Whenever you want to try to extend a class with a new method, must ensure the extension method class need to be static and the method is also be static. The class and method must and should need to be static. The class and method must and should needs to be static. Clear all of you? Now listen, I'm just trying to take a method that is public static. As I told you people, class and method both need to be static, right? Public static string. The extension method is upper and lower is a method name. Upper and lower cases. Clear all of you? Here I am using the case that is every string first character would be a capital letter. Okay, so here also I am taking cases. Upper and lower cases is a method name. And now which class you want to extend? The class is string. So I want to extend the string class. Must include which class you want to extend. The class name you need to give as a parenthesis for this method. Now which class I am extending here? String class. Clear? Now listen here. As I'm telling you, I want to give upper and lower cases as an alternative. Suppose, see example that I'm giving the input as Kalyani. My upper and lower cases method will take the Kalyani and it need to return the output like this: Kalyani. Okay, I mean that means odd characters would be uppercase letter and even characters would be even characters would be uppercase letter. That means even would be uppercase, and odd characters would be lowercase. Clear all of you? This is a requirement for me. Now see, whatever the string you are passing Kalyani, that would be there in the yes. Okay, now we will write some logic in the upper and lowercase method in such a way it would be give you a uppercase and lowercase. Now the logic is already predefined for me in the other project. This is the logic. That logic will take here and the logic will be takes here, and listen here all of you very carefully. the other than result res I'm taking. Yeah, that's it. See, I'm trying to pass the result to the variable res, and whatever the length of the string is there for int I is equal to 0, I less than h dot length I plus plus. If I percentile 2 equal to 0, in the sense it's a even. In the even place, I'm even character I'm taking, that character I'm converting into uppercase letter, that uppercase letter I'm passing to the result variable. So result plus, and I'm taking the uppercase letter into the result variable. In the else condition, if it is not an even, if it is a even, it will goes here. If it is not an even character, then it will goes to the odd location character. That odd location character would be directly add here. So even is upper and odd is lower. So the same way it will going to happen, and then it will going to return the entire thing. It will going to convert into upper and lower, upper and lower, upper and lower format. The result we are hooked into the variable that is res. The result we are passing into the variable that is res, and once you are calling this method upper and lower case method, then we are showing the result, the whatever it we are converted here, that result we are returning the result of this upper and lower case method. Now, again, I'm telling you, listen, if you want to extend the class, which class you want to extend the class, we need to pass a parenthesis for the method, and the extension method and extension class must and should both need to be a static class and static method. For the static method, we need to give a class, which class you need to extend, and in the method you are writing some logic. And now observe here the beauty of the extension methods. Now observe here, all of you, very carefully. I'm taking string s is equal to Kalyani. The Kalyani I want to convert into upper and lower cases, right? Now listen, string result, the result s dot upper and lower. See, what is the name of the method over here? Upper and lower cases. Am I right? Here also the upper and lower cases. See, in my Intel sense, extension it is giving, right? Extension it is giving. See, extension. Now also I'll tell you, if another way of knowing whether it is extension method or not, whether this symbol is there, right? Downstream, the down arrow symbol is right there, right? The down arrow symbol, in the sense it is giving you a, it is telling you that it is extended method. The other methods like union and where and zip, all those things are the extension methods, but upper and lower cases method, whatever I written here, that is a user defined extension method. This union and where and zip are the system defined extension methods. Now see here, all of you. Now this upper and lower cases method, I am calling from there, and I'm trying to display the output like this result. Okay. Now see, listen here. I want to get the input output like capital A, small a, capital K, and small a, capital L, and small y. So the upper and lower cases would be upper, the even and odd number alternative numbers, the alternative characters would be upper and lower cases. Now observe here, all of you, very carefully. Why it is just going out, we need to give console dot read key, right? Now listen here again, I'm trying to run this. See the output. Even 0th index, 2nd index, 4th index, and 6th index would be upper and lower cases. Okay. See here, even would be upper and odd would be lower. Okay. So string is a predefined class. The predefined class also we can able to extend with the help of the extension method. And one more beautiful and important interview question here is, string is an immutable class. It is not mutable, it is a immutable in the sense we can't able to change the behavior of it. We can't able to change that. Even though its string is the immutable string also we can able to extend the functionality of the immutable class, immutable type with the immutable string type also we can able to extend with the help of extension methods. Okay, even though string is immutable, we can able to extend it. The important interview question here is, even I gone through many interviews, the people will ask me that, is it possible to extend the string? Yes, it is possible. The mechanism is available. We can able to extend the immutable string class with the help of the extension methods. Okay, here we are doing, right? We can able to extend the immutable string class. Okay, mutable means it will change. Immutable means it won't change. Even though it won't change, we can able to extend it. Okay, please remember the question very carefully. Is it possible to perform the extension methods for immutable string class. Yes, it is possible. We can able to extend the string class with the help of the extension methods. Clear all of you? Now we will see. Now we have extended the predefined class. Now I am trying to create a class. I am trying to extend the user defined class. How to do it? We'll see now. Now observe here all of you very carefully. Now observe here. I am trying to create a new solution. In that new solution, I have a solution. The name of the solution name is console application 4. As of now, it is having only one project, that is console application 4. In that project, in that solution, I'm trying to create one more project. Solution means it's a collection of classes. Select collection of projects. Now, as of now, I have only one project. I'm trying to add the another project. That is, see here, new project I'm adding. The project type is class library, and in the class library, we have one class. The class name is class 1. Now listen here all of you. That means class library means it's a DLL. DLL does not have a main function. Am I right? Now I'm trying to create public string and method name is hello. That means whenever you are calling this method, it will going to return you some string. Okay, here the method is also be returning hello. Suppose you are taking. Now listen here. That's it. We have one class and the class is having one method. The method is returning you hello. Now listen here. In my class library, in my class library 1, I have only one class. The class is having one method, that is hello. So what I'm trying to do is console application 4, I'm adding the reference of class library. How to add it? Everyone knows, right? Go to the references, add reference, and I'm adding the reference, that is, the class library 1. In the same solution, I have another project. I'm adding the project reference over here. Now observe here. Now see, in this console application 1, in the references, it is having a reference of class library 1, right? Now I'm trying to add the extension method for this class 1. Now my requirement is, in my class 1, I have only one method hello. I'm trying to add one more method. Okay, that adding the extension method, the code is already available for me. Now I'll just use that code. Now listen here all of you very carefully. Now see here everyone. Now, see, as I told you people, right? I mean, must and should the class and method need to be a static, right? Now, see here, all of you, very carefully. The class is sample. The class is sample. I mean, the method is welcome. This method is extending which class? Class 1. Am I right? I'm passing the input for this method. I'm passing the input for this method. The name of the class is class 1. The class 1 is coming from the namespace, that is class library 1. So, as I told you people, for the method, we need to pass class as a parameter. Here my class is what? Class 1. To which class you are extending here? For my class 1. Which for class 1, which method you are adding? That is welcome. Now again I'm telling you people, with the help of this code, my user defined class is class 1, that is available in class library 1. So class library 1, class 1, I'm extending a method that is welcome. So whenever you are creating an object for class 1, now you can able to access two methods. One method is welcome and other method that is available here, that is hello. Now we'll try to see here. We'll try to create an object for this class 1 and we can see whether it will return two methods or not. Now observe here all of you very carefully. What is the name of the class? Class library 1 dot class name. This is a fully qualified name in the .NET. What is the meaning of fully qualified name? We need to give a namespace name dot class name. Now observe, I'm trying to take OB is equal to new class library 1 dot class 1. Now observe here all of you very carefully. I can able to show you two methods over here. One is welcome and one is hello. As I told you, if it is a method is extension method, the method would be having the down arrow, right? See, the welcome method is having the down arrow because it is the extension method that is extending over here. Am I right, all of you? See, welcome, I'm taking here. Now the method is returning string, right? So what you people need to do? String extension result is equal to. So what we can do is ob console.writeline, what is the output of this extension result? I'm just trying to show you people. So one extension is existing class extension. One extension is user defined class extension. See, the string is a system defined class, right? System defined type or system defined class, or the user defined class is class 1. So the user defined class is class 1. Now we'll see the output of both the things. Here upper and lower case of Kalyani, and up here the welcome we need to return the welcome method you are calling. The method is returning also welcome. The method welcome need to be displayed over here as the output. Now observe here all of you very carefully. I'm just trying to display this. See here. See this. See, welcome is from user defined class and Kalyani is from system defined string class output. So this is how we can able to extend the existing class without performing the recompiling, without extending, without extending, without modifying the existing class. We can able to extend the class without recompiling, without extending, and without recompiling and without extending, without modifying. We can able to extend the class with new methods with the help of the extension methods that are available in a C#. Thanks for everyone for listening the video. If you want to see the information about this diagram and code and all those things, please try to point my blog URL that is given in the description of this video. Thanks everyone.